Setup. Currently we are viewing the home screen. Now press the Setup button. This will show you the About screen. Here you can view information like the serial number, software and hardware versions, calibration date, and the MAC address. Press the F1 button, shows page 2 of the About page. This lists all the available options. If the options on this list are enabled, it will have a check mark in the checkmark enabled column. All of these options, by the way, can be added with a key code. To activate any new options, please contact your local Deviser rep for more information. Pressing F2 or the General key takes us to the Settings menu. We'll go through the left-hand side menu choices one by one. Network Settings. This will open a control center that allows you to set up the Wi-Fi network as a client or an access point. Once client or AP is selected, press the Wi-Fi app Setup button. Here you enter the SSID and the password. The access point function enables a connection from a mobile phone or a tablet computer. Technicians can use this function to have the DS2831 access public networks during field operations. Selecting DHCP allows the meter to auto-set a network address and configuration. Unselecting DHCP allows you to manually enter the IP address. Pressing Save will then save your settings. Display and battery. This allows you to adjust the auto power off and the backlight parameters. To save the battery life, you can adjust these settings to time out at different intervals. This screen also shows the internal temperature of your meter. Date and time. You can select different display formats in addition to resetting the date and time here. The language menu allows you to select your preferred language. User management. This page allows you to view information and make changes to the user account you're currently logged into. It displays your user ID number, username, and listed company. The user ID list shows a permanently assigned ID number for each user when multiple users share the same instrument. Toggle the multi-user feature to enable or disable multiple user profiles. If disabled, the instrument will treat every operator as the same user and will bypass the multi-user startup menu, going directly to the main measurement menu. You must restart the system for these changes to take effect, and after making changes, press Save to record the current user configuration. GPS. If the GPS functionality is enabled and the USB GPS antenna is connected to the instrument's top panel, this page will display the current longitude and latitude coordinates of the device. This is pretty useful in measurement applications for pinpointing interference. If GPS is disabled, the page will display zeros. GPS coordinates are recorded at all times when a clear GPS positioning antenna has clear line of sight to the skies. The GPS coordinates are saved when a measurement is saved in data format. However, the GPS coordinates will not be displayed on a picture file format. Factory reset. Here you can reset all parameters and return the instrument to initial factory settings for a fresh start. Use this feature with caution, though, to avoid erasing a preferred configuration. Please note, user profiles, saved measurement data, and current firmware versions are not affected. When you highlight this page, a confirmation prompt will appear. Press the rotary knob button to confirm the factory reset process, and the instrument will then reboot. The F3 or measure key includes miscellaneous settings for various measurement functions. The level units page allows you to select between dB microvolts, dBmV, or dBm. The TP or test point compensation page. When enabling the test point compensation function, you can enter and save up to 5 different test point compensation values. This is useful if you have various test point values for different equipment used in the field. This will give you a true reading inside the amp while performing tests at a padded test point. Limit added. Limits are user-designated signal thresholds. When a measurement breaks an established limit, the DS2831 will alert the user by displaying test results in a pass-fail format. From the Limit Edit menu, you can set and modify limit plans on various points of measurement data. The Enable Limit box must be checked for limits to take effect. The instrument offers 9 default groups of limit settings. They are amplifier, end-of-line, ground block, head-end, high-speed data, line extender, node, set-top, and tap check. In addition, there are 7 customizable groups that can be edited to suit your test threshold needs. Default group names, however, cannot be edited. Remote Assist. By enabling the Remote Assist function, you will be able to view the DS2831 remotely from any browser. Ensure that you have correctly set up the local IP, the net mask, and the gateway. Now type the local IP into your browser, followed by a colon, followed by the port number 1080. CM. This is a setting for the cable modem diplexer. Diplexers are key components in multiplex RF communication systems. A diplexer insulates the transmitted and received signals from interference, allowing them both to send at the same time. To ensure compatibility with the latest DOCSIS standards, the DS2831 cable modem provides 2 diplexer choices, which are 85/108 and 204/258. This setting, by the way, can affect cable modem measurement results. Therefore, set it according to your system configurations. For North America or Canada, use the 85/108 MHz settings, which will work fine in a 42/54 MHz environment.